Hello everyone, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
Out on the open road, where the horizon stretches far beyond the next turn, vehicles like this begin to make perfect sense. This is a custom Mercedes-Benz Sprinter camper van, a vehicle designed for people who don't just want to travel, but want the freedom to bring their entire lifestyle with them. At first glance, the metallic silver body immediately stands out. It has a clean, confident appearance, the kind of design that feels equally at home in the city, on long highways, or parked quietly beside a calm mountain lake. The bold Mercedes grille sits proudly at the front, framed by modern LED headlights that give the van a sharp and contemporary character. Every line along the body feels purposeful, smooth, simple, and strong. This van doesn't try to look aggressive. Instead, it looks capable, reliable, and ready for thousands of miles of travel. And that's exactly what a vehicle like this is built for. Because a camper van isn't just about transportation, it's about possibility. It represents a different way of experiencing the world, a slower, more flexible, and far more personal style of travel. Imagine setting out early in the morning, coffee in hand, the road ahead completely open. The van moves smoothly along the highway, passing through rolling hills, quiet forests, and long stretches of scenic countryside. Some days the journey might lead through winding mountain roads with snow-covered peaks rising in the distance. Other days it might take you along lakeside highways where the water reflects the sky like glass. And through every mile, the Sprinter platform delivers the kind of driving experience Mercedes is known for. Behind the wheel, the cabin feels calm and controlled. The steering wheel sits comfortably in the driver's hands, the dashboard is clean and intuitive, and the driving position gives a wide, confident view of the road ahead. Everything about the cockpit is designed with long-distance travel in mind. Hours behind the wheel feel smooth, predictable, and surprisingly relaxed. But the real story of a camper van begins the moment you step into the living space behind the driver's seat. Because this is where the vehicle transforms into something much more than transportation. Inside, every part of the interior has been designed to make efficient use of space. The sleeping area provides a comfortable place to rest after a full day of driving or exploring. Nearby, a compact seating space offers a simple place to sit, relax, and enjoy the view outside the windows. Small details make a big difference here. Smart storage compartments allow travelers to organize clothing, equipment, and personal items without cluttering the interior. And then there's the kitchen setup. A small sink, a practical countertop, and compact storage for cooking essentials allow travelers to prepare quick meals while on the road. It's not meant to replace a full kitchen, but it provides everything needed for simple, comfortable living during long trips. Above the living area, the pop-top roof adds an entirely new dimension to the van. When raised, it increases interior space dramatically, creating extra headroom and often an additional sleeping area. This clever design turns a compact vehicle into a surprisingly spacious travel home. And that's really the beauty of vehicles like this. They allow people to explore places that traditional travel often misses. Instead of booking hotels weeks in advance, you can simply follow the road. Maybe that road leads deep into the mountains. Maybe it leads toward a quiet national park. Or maybe it leads to a peaceful lake where the only sounds are the wind, the water, and the distant call of birds. With a camper van like this, those moments become part of everyday travel. You can wake up with a new view outside your window every morning. One day it might be pine forests, another day it might be wide open desert landscapes, and the next day perhaps the edge of a crystal clear mountain lake reflecting the sunrise. The flexibility of this kind of travel changes the entire experience of a journey. There is no rush, no strict schedule, and no pressure to move faster than the road allows. You stop when the scenery is beautiful. You continue driving when curiosity pulls you forward. And sometimes, the best memories are created during the quiet moments between destinations. Watching the sun slowly disappear behind distant mountains, sitting beside a calm lake at sunset, or simply enjoying the peaceful sound of nature around you. Those are the moments that make road travel unforgettable. Vehicles like this are not just about engineering, or design, or even comfort. They are about a mindset that values movement, discovery, and the quiet excitement of the unknown road ahead. So whether this van is cruising along an American highway, climbing through mountain passes, or slowly rolling beside a calm lake at sunset, it always represents the same idea: freedom. The freedom to keep moving, to keep exploring, and to keep writing new stories with every mile traveled. And with a vehicle like this, every road becomes an opportunity to discover hidden places, to meet new landscapes, and to experience the kind of travel that feels genuine and unhurried. Because the real beauty of this kind of journey is not just where you go, but how you experience every mile along the way. Each stop becomes a story, each road becomes a memory, and every sunrise outside your window reminds you why people fall in love with life on the road. And sometimes the most unforgettable journeys are not about reaching a destination at all. Sometimes the most meaningful part of the trip is simply the road itself.